I head up the visual merchandising, retail creative, and location strategy teams. Long story short, that means that I led the store design effort for the organization along with Stephanie to really reimagine the world of Disney. So really proud about kind of the overall aesthetic of the building. I've been asked this question. We're the project team that actually brought this to life. We're working on both coasts, so both Disney Springs and downtown Disneyland are part and parcel of the same group. So we are that same group. Some of the really exciting things about the world of Disney and the reimagined. I'm going to talk a little bit about the science part, and then we'll talk about the magic. So one of the things that you'll notice is the beautiful lighting that you see and how welcoming and warm it is when you come into the world of Disney. And so we really wanted to make sure that we have this really wonderful, optimistic shop retail environment for our guests as they visit Disneyland and Disney Springs. So lots of natural light coming in through both sides of the window of the entrances, and then as you go through, I want you guys to really look at the window displays as well. We wanted to create a uniquely Disney environment that has this idea of surprise and delight. So we use a lot of movement. If you can see, there's a lot of energy and magic going on, whether it's the enchanted posters that Stephanie showed you, or some of the elements that we have here, like this very subtle floor projection that has that kinetic energy and that movement. So magic can look like a lot of different things at the Walt Disney. We have some unique environment spaces that we call feature spaces, but if you think about those, are more like stages, and we're able to convert and update some of these areas over time for new stories. And we know what we love and what our guests really want to experience is what's new and next for Disney theme parks merchandise. And so we're excited about this design of the stores that really suits ourselves to be able to showcase and give our guests that newness and freshness and a new point of view, so that when you come into the store you can have a different experience every time. I think that's what we're looking for, is more of a dynamic experience. So we talked a little bit about the feature spaces and the newness. Talk about tees. Definitely graphic tees. We're so excited about the great art on the graphic tees, and so as we we're looking at this, we thought we really want to celebrate that. And so we've pulled together this really exciting space for t-shirts. The other thing is we have adult and kids come in the same area, and it's really fun. We like to dress up as a family, but I don't like to match exactly, and so this is really great for me because I can shop for what I kind of put together, my family story, but it's a theme, not a match. So these are all put together. There's some great art here. Hey, we love that one. And Genie, Vacation Mode, is hysterical. So there's some really fun art, and I think that our guests are really going to love this section. I love the churro one. Yeah. Were you like? I knew it.
I'm not here for churros.
So the other thing I want to show you is Disney style. So if we kind of go around this way, I'll show you Disney style. Going back to the store design, you can really see how the light's flooding into this entrance, and we have this great arch overhead that has a little bit of a storytelling graphic. I'll let you guys learn a little bit more about that at your next stop. So we've got some of those in the location. Disney style, it's a great capsule, and really celebrating Disney dressing and your day for the park. So a lot of messaging, very groundable. Parks foods we all love. Who doesn't love the giant Mickey ice cream bar? Definitely, the Dole Whip needs to be epoxied down. It might disappear. No, we definitely are excited about this group, and it's very current and fun. So this is just where we can have fun with our experiences.